history in the making. Are you guys ready, guys? To Macau. He's one of the biggest international superstars in the world. Let's give it up for my man and everybody's idol, Mr. Jackson Wang!
恭喜發財！新年快樂，新年快樂！
你都
Happy New Year，Happy New Year！
你識講廣東話、
上海話、
普通話、上海話，
韓文都識嘅。
韓文都識，韓文可唔可以拜個年啊？